The global green bond market touched $37 billion in 2014, with countries including China and India offering sizable growth potential, Moody's Investor Service wrote in a report released on Wednesday, 27th of May. India is looking to raise these low-cost and long-term funds to help finance its plans to quadruple its renewable energy production and to make it economically viable. India is the world's third-largest greenhouse gas emitter and needs as much as $200 billion to meet its target to install 100 gigawatts of solar power and 60,000 megawatts of wind power by 2022. Seeking to minimize India's dependence on coal-fueled electricity, the Narendra Modi government has pushed renewable energy to the top of its energy security agenda. In India, renewable energy accounts for only 11.79% or 31,692.14 megawatts of the total installed capacity of 268,602.35 megawatts. On 24th of February, Yes Bank raised Rs 1,000 crore through its 10-year green infrastructure bonds, and Export-Import Bank of India raised $500 million in a dollar bond issue on 24th of March. Other state-owned firms such as NTPC and Coal India are also likely to issue green bonds. So far, the vast majority of green bonds have been sold by issuers in Europe and the US, where government environmental policies and the associated need to finance projects supporting greenhouse gas emission reduction targets are more advanced than in developing countries. However, some of these countries have started to make the transition towards more environmentally sustainable economies, which could offer good opportunities for future green bond growth, the Moody's report said. According to the report, $7.8 billion of green bonds were issued between January and mid-April this year, as compared with an average $8.3 billion a month that would be required to hit its $100 billion forecast for the whole of 2015. The emphasis on solar and wind power is also expected to strengthen India's standing at the global climate change negotiations, which will culminate at a summit in Paris in December.